Hey guys, welcome back, and today we have this iJDMTOY smoked lens direct fit LED daytime running lights and turn signals for the 2007 to 2016 Jeep Wrangler. This is a direct replacement to your OEM turn signals with the added function of the daytime running lights. Now this has a vertical design inspired by the Jeep Wrangler's guard bar style to match with the grille. Let me show you guys now how to wire this up. To wire this up, plug this end into the OEM turn signals and the red wire to ACC 12 volt. Now this black wire is to add a resistor to prevent hyperflash. As you can see with the daytime running lights on, it matches with the Jeep's vertical designed grille.
Thanks for watching. If you liked our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please like us on Facebook for news and updates and visit us at iJDMTOY.com. Thank you.